welcome to the Aria Sky Suites. All right, guys, welcome to the Aria Sky Suites. This is our first time staying in this sort of level of luxury in the Aria. You might remember we have featured this property at least a couple times on the channel before with the restaurants, a couple other rooms, but never at the Sky Suites. These are newly renovated. Really excited to check it out. So yeah, let's do a little bit of a room tour. We are on the 54th floor. You do need actually a separate access to get in here. So you will get a separate key, you get a separate lounge. There's other different amenities you can take advantage of, as well as the pool, like your own Sky Suites pool and everything. So yeah, pretty impressed. Yeah, let's check out the room. As you first walk in, the hallway reminds me a lot of Vidara. If you remember like those rooms where you have like a doorbell outside, you've got all the different things here. So if you want to have like your privacy or if you need service for the room, you can use the different lighting there, which is really cool. You also do have the added luxury and safety of having a couple of latches and things like that. So that's really cool. I like this little area here. I like the fact that you can just sort of throw your keys, your, junk here or whatever you need here. You also do have some storage for clothing in this area here. So sort of like a bit of a his and hers, hers and hers, his and his, whatever type situation, where you can hang all your stuff up on this side as well as this side, where there's a fair amount of stuff. You also do have the lovely luxury Sky Suites robes. Do not take those, leave them in the room. You do not want to get charged for those. There are some slippers down there, which I do believe you should be able to take. Obviously, you've got your ironing board, things like that. You do have some drawers here as well, so if you want to throw some other little things here. What I thought was really interesting is the laundry bags are actually like a material as opposed to like the plastic bags you usually get. So yeah, these look really nice and luxurious. I think that's the main thing here, is like all the little extra things here are just like luxurious. Otherwise, lots of extra storage. You've got your safe in here as well, so if you want to throw some your valuables in there. And that's about it. Follow me to the bathroom. The bathroom is very similar to some of the other rooms that we've shown you as well in Aria. So you do have the sliding door here. So if you want some privacy, you can take advantage of that. The shower, I do like. It's very spacious. It's kind of neatly laid out as well. The fact that you have the shower and the tub all in one area. The tub looks smaller, but it looks like deep enough that you will have a nice little soak in there if you want to rest those feet after a long day on the strip. You've also got some great little amenities here. The bamboo cream, like it's the bamboo material and stuff. It is really nice. I do also kind of like that you do have the individual balls as opposed to the communal stuff, which you're seeing in a lot of other properties. So that does make it feel a little more luxurious. The countertop area. So you do have again the dual vanity, which is nice. You've got again some of the singular stuff, like the cleansing bar, all that stuff like that, as opposed to the communal stuff. This little drawer here I thought was kind of interesting too. So you've got a few different things in here. So if you open the top, you've got a little shaving kit, Sky Suites little box here, shaving kit. You've got your, shaving foam. You've got a lather, you've got makeup removers, you've got a razor, sewing kit, things like that. So they really have thought of everything to make you feel and your stay be more comfortable. In the second drawer, you'll also find a dental kit. You'll find some mouthwash. So dental kits usually like those mini toothpaste with like toothbrush and everything, mouthwash, etc. And then the bottom drawer is just left empty. You can probably throw your whatever in there just to keep the countertop nice and tidy. So yeah, I really do like that. And then this is probably where you're gonna find, your hair dryer. Again, everything labeled Sky Suites just to make you feel a little more like you're in a luxurious little setting. The toilet is behind this frosted glass. So you do have a friend here to keep you company who's sleeping. It looks like in the snowy weather. But I will say I'm not a huge fan of having the toilet just behind this little frost area, because if somebody does want to, have a shower or, bath or use the sink, there's not a ton of privacy here. You can still kind of make out a little bit what's going on behind the frosted glass, but it does the job. Just notice as well, you do have a scale as well. So if you really want to hurt your feelings, weigh yourself after being in Vegas for a few days, you have the option to. I will not be doing that though. As you come a little further inside, you've got your full length, which of course, check the fit before you go out in the strip for the night or whatever. So it's good that they included that. This is a joint room. Don't like that personally. As long as the door's locked, then you're usually okay. But I just find sometimes with those rooms, you do tend to hear what's going on the other side, which really I don't like personally, but I understand the necessity for them. As soon as you walked in the room, though, right away notice how bright it was. I will leave link below some other rooms we've had at the Aria before, and you'll notice that very dark, those dark wood tones and things like that. This is very bright whites, like light grays and tones like that. Love the sort of nice, marble look of the desk and the different features like that. It is really nice, bright and welcoming. This is a queen room, so you do have 2 queen size beds. This being in the Sky Suites, oh yeah, I sunk right in there. So I'm assuming it's going to be, a very comfortable night's sleep in here. Over here, you do have the iPad, which unfortunately ours doesn't seem to be working. Well, it's not an iPad, but it is a tablet. Often on these, you can do things like, make reservations and, check different things like that on here, check what's going on in the resort and whatnot. Sometimes you can even control the lights and things like that. I'm not sure if this will have the capability of that. That being said, you do have all of your controls here as well for these lights above the bed, for the curtains. So if you want to, if you're lying in bed and you just want to have maybe the sunlight come in, if you press good morning, you will have those curtains open. The shears will stay there. If you do want the shears to open, there's another switch just over there that you have to use for that. And then same thing, if you're going to bed at nighttime, press good night, everything will close up. You don't have to get out of bed. Nice and relaxing. Over here, you got your little workstation here as well as the TV. Perfect for if you are coming to Vegas, you got to get some work done, or if you just want to maybe relax in bed, watch some TV when you get up before you go to bed or whatever. So really great for that. You also have all your controls here if you want to plug into the TV or what have you. So that's good to have. Things I found impressive as well. This Keurig, it's a really nice looking Keurig. It looks like definitely more of a top of the line one from what I can see anyway. They also include this coffee kit. Now, I don't see anything on here about this being charged. I'm not sure what the situation is. It's not on a weighted sensor, so we might be okay, but this thing includes like some water to pour into the machine. You've got K-cups, you've got coffee cups, coffee lids, sugar, things like that, creamers, all that stuff is in here. Really handy. You do also have, of course, the mini bar, mini snack section as well, which I'm going to say probably just stay away from that stuff. It's very overpriced, very expensive. If you are staying at the Sky Suites, there are some snacks downstairs you can take advantage in the lounge. There's also the VIP check-in as well in the main lobby area that you can take advantage of as well. That always has coffee, pops, waters, different snacks and stuff. So I would highly recommend going in there and getting a few things rather than using this stuff. Same within here. Unfortunately, there is no mini fridge, but you will have access to, again, a bunch of dangerous items, which I will definitely recommend you stay away from. Do not open any of that stuff. Just stay away. The view. So given Aria's proximity, you are a little bit further back from the strip. Now, Aria is a part of this whole city center project that was built, I want to say about 15 or so years ago, maybe more actually at this point, maybe 15, 20 years ago. You are, again, be a little bit further back from the strip because you do have the condos in front of you. You've got the Waldorf Astoria, you've got sort of Nomad around you, you've got the Cosmopolitan, and then of course, if you go on the other side of the strip, you've got Planet Hollywood, Paris, you've got the new Boulevard Shopping Center as well. So you are still at a pretty good location, especially if you want to get like cheap eats. You can go across the street and go to Planet Hollywood. There's a few other spots around if you want to get like cheap snacks for the room or drinks and stuff like that. You got Walgreens, you got another Walgreens right there, you got Target, you got ABC, you got a lot of stuff around you, so you're definitely good in that regard. In Aria itself though, you do also have a lot of places you can eat. You've got the food hall, you've got Din Tai Fung, you've got Catch, you've got a few other places which we have actually featured on this channel as well, so you are kind of spoiled for choice in the way of food. I do like the area here. I do like Aria. I don't love how far back you are from the strip. At the same time, I do like how you are still considered relatively center strip. There's also the tram here that will connect you to Park MGM, also connect you to the Bellagio and Crystals, like that whole area as well. So you can sort of cut down a little bit on your walking with that, which is nice. So yeah, just some things to consider. So I will say that we did actually book a basic room here at the Aria, just basically to show you guys another room option if you're planning to stay here. We just asked if there were any complimentary upgrades available, and they did offer us this to sort of check out because it being brand new, it being brand new renovated, it does look very clean. It does look really fresh. I do like the atmosphere in here. I like how bright and inviting it is in here. So that is nice. And it's always nice to feel a little bit special and spoiled when you have access to certain things like lounges and pools that maybe other guests don't have access to. So I definitely do like that. Anyway, that is probably going to do it for this particular room tour of Aria. Like I said, if you are curious about other rooms that are available here, I'll leave a link down below of some other. We have a suite. We also had just a basic king room in before they got renovated. So if you want to check those out as well, again, a couple food options, things like that. Also, sister property Vidar, we've stayed at a couple times, so I can leave just a few options if you're curious about different options to stay in this kind of general area. If I've missed anything, you guys have any questions, please don't be shy, leave them down below. Helpful out the travelers, they probably same questions that you guys have. It's also really helpful for me because any interaction you guys have on my channel, whether you're liking, commenting, sharing, subscribing, it all helps with the YouTube algorithm. If you're not subscribed, I see, please consider subscribing to the channel. Totally free for you. Really helps me keep delivering this free content to you. Sorry, mouthful there. Once again, it's Daniel Spotlight. Viva Las Vegas, Viva Aria, and the brand new renovated Sky Suites. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye.
The next morning.
So a little bit of an update from the Sky Suites in Aria. So they do actually do turn down service here. I was wondering if they maybe did. So we came back to the room and there's a little note. Well, there's a little tray down there as well, but there's a little note, saying that if you need anything, so they'll give you stuff like lip balm, razors, dentistry case, lint roller, shoehorn, things like that. So, I mean, even hairspray, brushes, combs, so you can pretty much call and ask for any of the stuff complimentary. There's stuff you can borrow as well, like if you want to borrow apparently a memory foam pillow, steamer, flat iron, curling iron, yoga mat, things like that. So it's nice that they do include that. They also have newspaper access on the tablet, which I wasn't aware of. So there's a few little things in there, little benefits of staying here. They also gave us some extra bottles of water. They gave us some little chocolates on our tray, which is nice. This is something I've never seen before, and I'm actually really impressed with this, is there's a quiet night relaxing balm to calm the senses. So it's this company lather, the same one that you're gonna see like some of their soaps and things like that. And yeah, you just rub this on your temples and forehead and the back of the neck, and then it's supposed to help you sleep better, I guess. So that's really cool. That's definitely gonna be coming home with me. So yeah, just another, I guess, little benefit of staying in the Sky Suites in the Aria. So if you don't know, now you know. You are a little bit further back from the strip, which that's the second time you've done that.